Are you getting a sound file corrupted error in CapCut on your iPhone? This usually happens due to incomplete downloads, unsupported audio formats, or corrupted cache files. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this CapCut sound file corrupted issue, so let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check audio format. Make sure your sound file is in a supported format, like MP4, M4A, or WAV. If it's in another format like FLAC or OGG, then convert it using a free converter app from the internet. CapCut only works well with supported audio formats. And check whether the issue is solved or not. Solution 2. Re-import the sound file. Go to the CapCut app, then open your project. Now select your audio clip, then tap Delete. Next, re-import the audio. Solution 3. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 4. Update the CapCut app. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.